Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to AndroTrix. Well, I am sure you enjoyed the unboxing and that you are wondering where did I get that Groot from. Don't worry, I have linked it in the description box below, so if you want to get it you can check yourself after you are done watching this video. I have been using Pixel 2, the only phone launched with such big bezels in 2017 for over 3 months now, and it feels like a major update when I see the OnePlus 6 screen. They have managed to get screen to body ratio of over 83%, and well, that comes at the cost of the notch. I do appreciate smaller notch compared to iPhone, but I just don't get along with it, at least for now. I'll let you know about my opinion on the notch in the full review, but one thing I can say for sure is that it makes the device look killer and eye-catching. Moving on to the back, for the first time they have introduced glass back on the OnePlus device, and boy oh boy, it looks beautiful. They have also considered the safety measures and went ahead with Gorilla Glass 5, but then glass is glass and it will shatter if it falls from a height. Also, just like any other glass back devices, OnePlus 6 is also now a fingerprint magnet and the dust magnet, which you will have to get used to like I will. Also, the fingerprint scanner is now more of a rectangular shape rather than the circle, and that again feels odd and would take some time for me to adjust, as the Pixel 2 had proper circular fingerprint scanner. But hey, it's still faster than any other fingerprint scanner I have used on any smartphone. They also changed the position of alert slider, but thanks to that texture, you can easily make out between the power button and the alert slider, so there's no problem over here. Talking about the specification, OnePlus devices are a beast. And I am sure even the OnePlus hater would agree that OnePlus devices are fast as fuck. And that holds true for OnePlus 6 as well. It is packed with Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which will handle all the tasks thrown at it with an ease. There had been times when I have opened the application early morning, and then when I go to bed and I open that app again, it resumes from where I had left it off. This holds true especially for the games which I have been playing a lot recently on this device. Anyway, coming to the best part of using OnePlus device, the dash charger. I know people have started complaining about no major updates in this technology since they have launched it, but then it's already the best. I get 6 hours of screen on time with just 30 minutes of charge, which is no joke. Also, I am the kind of person who would want the phone to get all the juice as soon as possible rather than waiting for hours like we have to do for the Redmi Note 5 Pro's battery. It will surely last longer than the OnePlus 6, but then hey, who's got the time to charge that device? And I don't have the habit of charging it overnight if that's what you would suggest in the comments. But then that could just be me. I haven't explored the camera a lot as I am saving it for the dedicated camera review, but I have to say it does a very good job. Also, since I have the Pixel 2 and OnePlus 6, I'll keep giving you images from both the devices without name for you to judge which one is the best. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you wish to be a part of those camera tests. And well, that brings us to the end of this video. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the OnePlus 6 and I will answer it in my next video, or maybe make a dedicated video if I get good questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit that bell icon so that you get notified for all my latest videos. See you guys in the next one.